All right, now the markets are down and the NASDAQ is down again, big. And a lot of these tech stocks, they're getting rocked. And we'll see how long this continues. And we actually had the Dow up at 41,300 before turning down. And it's now under 41,000. Now we had the weekly unemployment claims come out, and that number jumped by 20,000 to 243,000. Now that number actually went down last week, and that was probably due to the previous week being a holiday where the claims were only captured on 4 days. And if not for last week, for several weeks now, there would have been an incremental increase. In my opinion, we're headed to weekly claims being over 300,000 by this winter. Now we have continuing claims. They continue to rise, and that number is at 1.87 million. And that's the highest since late 2021. And we had the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index come out, and those numbers were actually good. Those numbers have actually stayed positive for 6 straight months. New orders and shipments actually rose. So the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, it's looking good. Earlier in the week, we saw the opposite from the New York Empire Manufacturing Index. Now, we had Domino's Pizza report their earnings this morning, and they missed sales estimates. And not only that, they're reducing the amount of stores that they plan to open. Now, U.S. same-store sales were actually up above 4%. But regardless, Wall Street, they didn't like what they were hearing. They didn't like what was being told, and that stock is getting punished, down 13%. Now, we had U.S. bankruptcies, and they have hit a 14-year high. We haven't seen bankruptcies. We haven't seen corporate bankruptcies this high since 2010. And I'm afraid it's going to get worse because the debt continues to pile up. Nowhere am I seeing corporations, the public, the government pay down any of their debt. So the debt is going to pile up. The financing continues to dry up, and we're just going to have more bankruptcies. And a lot of them, they're going to end in liquidation. And there's no more economic data coming out today, but we have a few big companies reporting after the bell. And this market's red. It's likely going to stay red, and we're going to have options expiration tomorrow. This quick stock market commentary, please like and subscribe.